Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fine in this pandemic. So my agenda for making this channel is to make you people understand about the statistics and its importance in real life problems that generated in every seconds, in every minute, daily in terms of information, which we also call as data. When information is organized into row and columns, then it termed as a 2D data. Let's create a scenario where information is collected. Suppose survey is conducted by government and the government hires some people to conduct survey. So, hi, I am here for survey. What is your name? My name is XYZ.
The next question is, how many family members are there in your family? So it will differ person to person. It could be five, it could be six, it could be two, it could be anything. How many earning members are there in your family? It could be two, three, one, anything. It will differ person to person. Next question is, what is yearly income? So this will also differ from person to person. It could be anything 5 LPA, 8 LPA, 12 LPA, etc. Is there any heart disease or cancer history in your family? Answer would be in yes or no. So, answer format would be in binary format. It could be either yes. What type of heart disease or cancer they had or have? It it could be anything X Y Z. Is or was it genetic? Answer would be either in yes or no format.
Okay, so see, 9 questions, 9 different informations from single person or family. That means first row with 9 different columns. That means 9 different variables. Okay, that is name, number of members, number of earning members, heart disease. Is there any heart disease? Is there any cancer patient disease? Is there any cancer disease patient or types of heart disease, types of cancer disease? Was it genetic or not? So these are the some these are the 9 different variables. So I have collected all this information from single person. That means first row. That means this is the first row with 9 different information from the single person. Okay. If I do the same with another person, that is second person, then it will give. They will provide me same with 9 different informations, means second row with 9 different columns or 9 different variables. Similarly, I'll do for nth row or nth person, then this will create my 2D data, rows into columns. Next, we will see types of data and sampling, which are methods of conducting survey, experiment, and decide the sample size. We will see it in the next video. Thanks for watching.